Okay, lecture 16 is all about something that's called the generator of a continuous time Markov chain. Sometimes this is called the rate transition matrix. Here is the outline of all the topics. First thing that we're going to look at is the simulation of a continuous time Markov chain. So in other words, how do you simulate on a computer a picture that looks very much like the one below me? The next thing we're going to focus on is asking whether there's anything like the one-step transition probability in continuous time. And there isn't going to be an obvious way to answer this, but something that looks rather much like it is going to be called the infinitesimal generator. We're going to spend some time defining that and then look at one example, namely in the case of the Poisson process. In the next lecture, I'll give a number of further examples. But in this one, we're going to focus primarily on how do you write down the generator in terms of the rates of a continuous time Markov chain. That's the most useful type of definition, at least when working with problems. And lastly, we're going to look at stationary distribution and the various definitions, and specifically the one in terms of the generator, which again allows you to solve problems in the most easiest way. So off we go.